What's up guys, Ricky here, back with another Crosstrek video. Today we'll be taking a look at Subaru Emblem overlays for the front, back, and steering wheel from emblemoverlays.com. If you aren't familiar with them, I'll leave their information in the description. To sum it up, they have a whole bunch of emblem overlay templates to choose from, and you can customize the colors. For my Crosstrek, I decided to go with the monochrome mountain theme. Overall, they arrive very fast and are great quality vinyls that are double printed inversely. So that means the Subaru stars are on the bottom layer, so you won't have to worry about them peeling off over time. Install was super simple. I used a bit of ethanol diluted with water down to 10% to clean the placement area. Basically wiped it down after that with a paper towel and polished it off with a microfiber sponge. To apply the vinyls, I made cuts on 3 of the sides so that I could have an easier time controlling and lining up the placement. After that, it was just a matter of applying them on straight and doing your best to avoid air pockets. If you actually come across air bubbles, like I did, that can't be pushed out, taking the tip of a knife and poking them to create a small hole will do the trick. All in all, I'm really happy with how these turned out. I ordered these after seeing a video by Rick Hutton, easily one of the best Crosstrek channels on YouTube at the moment. If you're into Subarus and haven't heard of him, his information will be in the description also. I highly recommend you check him out. Well guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for a whole bunch more Crosstrek mods. Thank you.